Hello guys, welcome back to SLOVIC Fitness channel. We are doing a 7 days fat loss series. For the next week, we are keeping things completely simple. We aren't going to use any equipments. These exercises are ones which you can do literally anywhere. It could be a bedroom, it could be a hotel room, it could be a park. The point is, if you've got a small space and your phone with you, you're good. So this is how it's going to work. Every day you have to come back to this video, hit play and do this workout with me. That's literally it. Small steps, big changes. So without further ado, let's get into it. Today's routine is designed to increase your heart rate, activate multiple muscle groups and keep your body burning calories even after you're done with the workout. This series is for beginners, intermediates or anyone who's just getting back into fitness. And if you haven't already, subscribe to SLOVIC Fitness so you don't miss a single day of this challenge. So let's get into it. Alright, we are starting with our first exercise, which is going to be jumping jacks. This is a pretty easy one. It's like kind of warm up for whatever's coming next. So here's how you do it. We are going to stay light on our feet. We're going to move our arms smoothly and we are going to keep control of our breath and only breathe through our nose. Okay? This exercise warms up your joints and gets the blood flowing. Alright, so let's do this. We're going to do this for 30 seconds, 2 sets each. Alright, let's go. Even simple movements like these can increase your calorie burn by 30%. So that is why we are starting with this. Breathe through your nose and we are done with our first set. If you're still watching and doing this with me, you're already ahead of 99% of the people out there who keep saying, I'll start tomorrow. Take a little breather. We're going to do this again for 30 seconds with the same perfect form. Alright, let's go. Let's do our second set. We're going to do it with the same form. Breathe through your nose. Keep your arms going smooth. So let's go. Keep going. Around 20 more seconds. You've got this. This one burns a lot of calories. Last few. And we are done. Take a little breather and then we'll move on to our exercise number 2, which is high knees. You can go sip some water and come back in like 20-30 seconds. Alright, now we are going to do high knees and here's how you do it. Keep your palms facing downwards and keep your elbow at like a 90-degree angle. This way. Try to touch your knee to your palm. Try to get it as high as possible if you can't touch your palm. This is an example. 1, 2. Okay? This is what we have to do. We're going to do this for 30 seconds. Again, 2 sets each. So let's get to it. Did you know the moves that get your heart rate up quickly are the fastest way to go into fat burning mode? I know this one is harder, but this one burns more fat as well. Keep going, keep going. And we're done with the first set. You have to do one more of this, same form, same intensity. Take like a 5-10 second breather and come right back. So let's do our second set. Before that, let me assure you, if you do this routine every single day and pair it with a caloric deficit, I assure you that you are gonna see changes in no time. And you don't even need any equipment for this, just a small room, like not even a small room, a little free space, a phone which you can watch me on and follow along with me. So let's go, let's do this together again. High knees, second set, 30 seconds, same form. Let's go. Also, if it feels tough, it's normal. This is supposed to challenge your body without treadmills or dumbbells. So just keep on following along with me. That's the second set. Alright, we are going to do push-ups now. So let's drop down on the floor and I'll show you how to do it. And if you are not able to do a normal push-up, I'll also show you how to do a knee push-up. so that all of us can do this together. So for the normal push-up, keep your arms this wide, alright? And let's drop down on the floor now. Let your body go down, and on the way back up, push. You'll feel your chest, shoulders and core engage in this exercise, which basically means the more muscles you use, the more calories you're gonna burn. Alright, so if normal push-ups feel hard, I'll show you how to do knee push-ups now. Same thing, just drop your knees on the floor, put your ankles around each other, and same thing again. So we're going to do 20 of these now, and if you're unable to complete all 20 of them, you can switch to a knee push-up. But let's do 20 of them together. 2 sets each. Let's go. Let's start. Go down. Embrace your core. Keep your chest tight. You're going to feel your triceps, shoulders and core work on this one. Let's go. 1. Keep your movement slow and controlled and breathe through your nose all the time. Almost there. If you are unable to do full push-ups, you can drop down and start doing knee push-ups. And we are done with our first set. I hope you guys are doing great and been following along with me till here. This exercise builds a lot of strength as well. Alright, let's do our second set now. Also, before we start the set, let me tell you, if you can do 5 normal push-ups, you're already ahead of 90% of the people. And if you want to get to 5 push-ups, you can just follow this routine every single day, and your push-ups are going to go way above than where they are at right now. So let's go, let's do the second set, 20 reps, and remember, this workout is built for everyone, so do what works for you. Normal push-ups are fine, knee push-ups are fine as well. Let's go. Brace your core, keep your arms wide and go down, come up, go down, come up. Honestly, from the whole routine, this exercise is my favorite. You'll feel your chest has been tightening. That is just the blood flowing into it. That's the second set. You can take a little breather, go have some water, and then we'll move on to bicycle crunches. You can even use a yoga mat for the next exercise. Alright, before we move on to our next exercise, I want to tell you a little secret which I use to get my fat percentage to a lower stage. So every human has a specific maintenance calorie number. You can use any online maintenance calorie calculator to find it. You just have to enter your height, weight and your activity level. If you pair that number and do this exercise routine every single day, so whatever number comes to your maintenance calories, imagine it's 1500. You need to eat a little lesser than that to start losing fat and weight. So if you start eating 1300 and follow this routine every single day religiously, I assure you this winter you're gonna look much better and you're gonna lose a lot of fat just by doing these 2 simple things. Alright, so now let's get into the bicycle crunches. Alright, let's do bicycle crunches now. This exercise is specifically for your abs. So basically everyone has abs, but there's just a layer of fat covering it. That's why not everyone's abs are visible. But if you use the trick which I told you about being in a calorie deficit and following this video every single day, I'm sure your abs will come out in no time. Alright, so let's go. Let's start with bicycle crunches. So for this one, lie down on your back, keep your core tight, keep your arms behind your head this way, and try to touch your right elbow to your left knee. That's 1. That's 2. Alright, so rotate slowly, twist from your core and keep breathing through your nose. Alright, we are gonna do 30 of these, which is basically 15 each side. So let's go. There's no need to rush. Think quality over quantity. Keep your abs controlled and let's do this. Keep going, almost there. You're gonna feel a huge burn in your abs, which basically means that you are burning fat right now. Alright, after this, we're gonna move on to a plank. Hope you guys are doing fine. Go have some water, come back. We only have 2 more exercises left. Let's finish it together. Alright, let's go. We are gonna do a plank now. I'll show you how to do it, but before that, let me tell you what it helps with. So, a plank also helps strengthen your core, which basically means it helps improve posture. It makes everyday tasks easier. No back strain at all because your core muscles are being engaged. This one specific static hold where you just have to stay in one place engages more muscles than an actual ab machine which you can find in a gym. So this one is really helpful. So let's do it. 30 seconds, 2 sets each. Okay, let's go. And if at any time you fail within 30 seconds, take a 5-second breather and then do it again till you complete your 30-second mark. Let's go. This is how you do it. Go into the push-up position which I showed you and put your elbows down. Make a fist. Keep your core embraced. Breathe through your nose and let's go. 30 seconds from now. Breathe through your nose, core engaged. If you're shaking, it's working. Keep going, almost there. That's your first set. We're gonna do this again for 30 seconds. Alright, let's go. Second set of our plank. Here we go. 30 seconds again, same form. Breathe through your nose, keep your core engaged. We're almost done with the whole routine. We just have one exercise left, which is the last one and burns the most fat out of all of the ones which we have done yet. It's called burpees. Take a little breather and then I'll show you how to do burpees. Alright, let's go. Last exercise of the whole routine. This one is called burpees and this is the highest calorie burning exercise out of all of the ones which we did right now. This one spikes your heart rate and boosts your metabolism even hours after your workout. So let's go. Let's finish this one together. We are going to do 20 of these, 2 sets each. I'll show you how to do it first. Alright, here's how you do it. Stand straight, jump, go into the push-up position, do a push-up, come back up, put your knees forward and jump again. That's how you do one burpee. We're going to do 20 of these for 2 sets. You're finishing strong. You're almost there. Stay with me till the end. This is where all the changes happen. Alright, let's go. First set, burpees. Stay light on your feet. Breathe through your nose. Last one. That's the first set. We're going to do that again. 20 reps. Alright, let's go for a last set of our exercise routine of the burpees. 20 reps again. We're going to do it with good form. Breathe through your nose. Keep your core muscles engaged and let's go. You can do this at your own pace. There's no rushing. Congratulations, you have just finished the whole exercise routine. Take a few deep breaths. You just completed 6 simple exercises, 0 equipment and a routine you can do literally anywhere. If you stay consistent with this video and the calorie deficit I was talking about, you are going to feel lighter, you're going to get stronger and you'll feel more active. That is the goal of this series. Also save this workout so that you can come tomorrow and do this again. Make sure you subscribe to SLOVIC Fitness. Save this workout so that you can follow this every single day consistently and religiously. You can basically do this anywhere. You don't need any equipment, just a little space and the will to do it. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you all again tomorrow.